Hello, my name is Isabelita. My name 201041711. My lecturer Adi Mursalin SAMM. My class from A1 Management. Today I will read Casper 7 Accounting. Introduction. Accounting in the business world can be said as the language of business because almost all business activities in the world, both individuals and large companies, use accounting to calculate and to make decisions relating to the business being run. Accounting is a process that begins by recording, grouping, processing, and presenting data, recording any transaction related to finance so that the information obtained is used by people who are competent with the information, and that information is used as material for making a decision. From the description above, the notion of accounting is an activity in identifying, calculating, grouping, and assessing, and even related to finance or activities that can produce quantitative data and qualitative data, especially those of the financial nature and used in decision making. MNW 1997. In general, accounting is an information system that can be accounted for to provide financial related reports to those who need it and provide information about the condition of the company economical. The definition of accounting to the expert Abu Bakar A. and Wibowo. Accounting is a process of recording, identifying, and communicating all the company's economic transactions. Paul Gordy. Accounting is a body of knowledge and has organizational functions that are arranged, original, authentic, analyze, and interpret all events and transactions and financial analysis that will occur in accounting activities to provide information needed by management about all reports and accountability for the truth it receives. Queso and Vacant. Accounting is an information system that starts from classifying, recording, and communicating all economic events from an organization or company to those who have an interest in that information. Board of Accounting Principles. Accounting is an activity or service event to present quantitative information where the information is in the form of material benchmark about an economic body that is used in making economic decisions, in choosing economic policy alternatives that must be taken. American Institute of Statistics Public Accountants. Accounting is an art of recording, summarizing, and managing certain process in monetary terms, transactions, and financial events, and summarizing that result of the valuation. Kohler's Dictionary. Accounting is an art of recording the process of financial transaction. West Thurman. Accounting is a written experience that is used to take decisions made in a company. American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information in economic decision making by those who need it. Subhar Lumbantoruan. Accounting is a tool used as a business language where the information conveyed is only able to be understood if the accounting mechanism has been understood. Dr. M. Goode. Accounting is an applied science and art of recording which is carried out continuously according to the rules and its system. The processing and analysis of those records can be agreed in the form of financial statements as a means of accountability from the leadership of the company or institution for their work. Degree of the Minister of Finance. Accounting is a process of getting, analyzing, clarifying, recording, reporting, and summarizing financial transactions from an economic unit to provide financial information for those who need that information and is used for decision making. Baran et al. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports to related parties or interested parties regarding the economic activities of a company. Arnold, accounting as a system used to provide information, especially financial information, to anyone who needs information, especially on the decision makers and controlling parties. Rudianto. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports aimed at related parties and it's inserted in economic activities and the condition of certain business entities. The function of accounting. The main function of accounting is as a medium of information, especially financial information about an organization or company. Because from this information, an economic report can be obtained where we can find out the economic condition of an organization or business entity, and we can know the things that occur in the organization. Accounting can provide quantitative data information in the form of money, information about the financial condition of an organization or company is needed by decision makers in making economic policy. For parties within the organization or parties outside the organization or business entity. Accounting can be a tool that explains about any condition that occur in the economy, in the company, especially relating to the company finance. It can be concluded that there are two kinds of information that can be given related to the accounting process. The first is information about the company's value, and the second is information that explains the company's profit and loss. Both of these information are useful for knowing how much profit or loss a company has in a given period, knowing the company net profit after deducting operational costs, knowing the amount of company capital and investment that the company can make in connection with company profits, finding additional capital for business expansion. Calculating the amount of tax that must be paid by the company, providing information to stock market investors to be able to register the company share in the stock market. Marketing decisions for the company needed in the future. In the accounting process, there are many important activities that are considered important. Let's learn about the main activities of the accounting process itself. Main activities of accounting. Here are the main activities of accounting. 1. Identifying. This activity is carried out by identifying all transactions in the company. 2. Recording. This activity is carried out by recording all transactions that occur carefully, systematically, and sequentially. 3. Communicating. This activity is carried by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finance that are used by all users of the company. Financial statement or internal or external parties. Accounting itself has a very broad scope of knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transaction and in everyday human life. Field of accounting. The field of accounting include financial accounting. This financial accounting includes recording all transactions in the company without expectation and making regular reports, which with the report can provide important and useful information for company owners and investors who are interested in the company performance. Auditing accounting. The field of auditing accounting is accounting which includes the examination of financial statements through free, confidential accounting records. The accounting report must be verifiable through an independent auditor to produce truthful and honest information. Management accounting. Management accounting is an accounting field that uses historical data and estimate data to help management plan the company operation in the future. Tax accounting. Tax accounting includes the calculation of all tech report in providing solutions or consideration to the company in calculating the amount of tech. Budgeting accounting. The field of budgeting accounting is carried out to plan all financial activities or company budget needs in a current period and provide comparison to the company to calculate the budget projection with operational costs that really must be spent by the company. Non-profit accounting. Accounting for non-profit organizations is carried out to record all activities of non-profit organizations, such as social and religious organizations. Cost accounting. This accounting has the duty to emphasize the use and determination of costs and to control those costs in an industrial company. Accounting system. An accounting system is a technique or method used by recording and processing accounting data that is useful for obtaining good internal control, where internal control is meant by a system that has the duty to control by obtaining an organizational structure, the dividends, tax, and all human resource who is proficient with healthy practice. Social accounting. Social accounting is the most recent field of accounting and its understanding is quite difficult to explain because social accounting involves public welfare funds. Importance of accounting in management decision making. Data, record, report, analysis, accurate information about assets, debits, liabilities, profits are needed when you want to enter into a business, and that is why accounting is important for any business activities. Management needs accounting information. This accounting information is very essential for making a decision. Management cannot make a decision without reasonable information for backing it up. To make the decision, it has to be based on genuine facts and figures. For making the decision at every level of management, information is crucial. Accounting providers management with information recording the financial position of the business, such as profit and loss, costs, and earning, liabilities, and assets. That is why the importance of accounting in business is very broad. Statistics statistical data, and information that accounting providers are very necessary for management to make the right decision. Recording financial transaction systematical in the books of account and finding out the profit, loss, and financial position of a business are the main objects of accounting. The main function of accounting having the ascertainment of profit, loss, and financial position, interpretation and analysis of accounts and statement, the development of accounting system, a collection of statistical and economic data, formulation of financial principles, and financial planning and controlling results as per plan. In the modern age, accounting is directly connected with financial management. That management is to depend on various accounting data and information for taking various decisions. It is due to entity concept and management joint stock company developed means of communication and international business. It urges scopes of business have so much expanded. Accounting gives the measures of assets happening. Accounting also can improve production and profit, controlling costs, and help improve the efficiency of the overall management. Management plays a very important role in the overall development of a business organization. Management has the function, namely planning, organizing, collecting business elements, motivating, coordinating, controlling, and budgeting. Its successful completion of their function of management depend on the efficient accounting system. Accounting is a continuous system that shows the financial position of a business entity by identifying the economic events and recording, analyzing, and presenting them. Accounting gives information about the economic entity's financial position. Importance of accounting in parts of business are described below. Importance of accounting in planning. Proper planning is necessary for the successful completion of various management activities. The planning, cash planning, shelf planning, procurement planning, determining the quantity of stock, development planning, picking up target profit. It really rely on accounting data and information. Accounting important in organization. Accounting play a very vital role in the proper execution of the important function of the management organization. Accounting helps management organization by giving information like percentage of profit over the capital investment, position management, efficiency in controlling it. Accounting important for motivation. Labor employees are to be motivated for achieving expected performance. Financial reward is one of the main motivating factor of work. The management must know the financial position of the business for providing financial benefits. Accounting helps management by giving necessary information for making proper decisions. Accounting important for coordination. One of the main functions of management is to achieve the final target of the business by coordinating various activities of different departments. Accounting help in coordinating various activities of different departments of the business. It also helps the management in the adjustment of purchase with sale and expenditure with income, sale with debit, reachable relation it to a target to great extent. Accounting important in control. The main function of modern management are planning and controlling. Controlling is essential for the completion of activities according to the plan. Accounting can help management most in control. Accounting important media of communication. Accounting play a vital role as a media in communicating various information from different departments, business and management plan of action to various departments. For instance, in the modern age, accounting is regarded as the best media of communication in supplying information to management regarding purchase and stock time of purchase, costs of purchase and sale price. Besides, the function of accounting is to collect and provide information about the business to various interested parties. Accounting important in budgeting. The preparation of various budget is essential to run the business successful. The historical information which is needed in the preparation of the budget is supplied by accounting. Accounting important in professional achieve. An efficient and honest accountant help the management with valuable professional advice for the development of its business in the modern age with the complexities of business management has also become complex. In this aspect, the role of accounting is very important. The efficiency of management depends on the efficient use of accounting data and information. In the developed countries, accountants are regarded as efficient and successful managers. In the modern age, in big organizations, accountants are included in the management cabinet. It can be said that accounting and management are interdependent. Accounting is an essential tool for management.